Welcome back. We're continuing the news. The government's business must go on. That declaration from Prime Minister Andrew Holness just weeks before the local government election. Already, critics theorize that as the political campaigning intensifies, so will the assistance from government agencies. Jamila Maitland explains.
In the coming days, Jamaicans should expect an increase in political activities as the two major parties gear up for local government elections. During this time, however, Prime Minister Andrew Holness says the government's business must continue.
Almost every week, I am out either breaking ground for some important infrastructure, opening a road, breaking ground for a hospital, turning on a water supply, or handing over houses under our new social housing program. Now, we are in the midst of a local government campaign, but the work of the government must continue.
On Friday, Mr. Holness handed over 3 social houses and commissioned a water supply in Eden District, Moko, in north-central Clarendon. But he sought to dismiss criticisms that the events were disguised as political ploys.
Some of you, not all of you, but some of you may be thinking, oh, this is politics, or this is part of an election campaign. And to be fair and to be truthful about this, of course it is. An election campaign is a legitimate part of our democracy. This, however, is not one of those events, because your member of parliament has been lobbying for a very long time to get water to your district.
The Prime Minister did use the opportunity, however, to take a jab at the opposition, while Jamaica Labour Party supporters egged him on with cheers and laughter.
They have been promised in some instances, commitments were made. I know of cases where pipes have even been brought and never connected. That is not how this administration operates. When we make the commitment to deliver, we will deliver.
Jamila Maitland, TVJ News.
And over.